It's always great to have a female in a sport that's so dominated by men, and I have the chance to talk to Pippa Mann over here. Thank you, Pippa. You know, it's great. I love everything that you're doing. We were just talking about your car being pink at Indy 500 and how that first time it was a distraction, but you're okay with it. How does it feel to be a woman in this sport, but still kicking ass and doing a great sponsor with the Susan G. Komen?
You know what? The car can't tell what color it's painted. It can't tell what color my helmet is, and it can't tell if it's got a girl or a guy driving it, right? So it really doesn't make that big of a difference.
That's awesome. No, it's so good. I know you probably get that question all the time, and it's so great to have such a positive role model for the young women who are coming up here. Can you let us know a little bit about what you're doing with the breast cancer research?
Well, around the Indy 500, we actually ran a campaign along the race car that raises money for them, and we raised $73,000 this year. So that was a really cool total to be able to raise in support of Susan G. Komen. And the other big thing about the pink car is, okay, the car does not know what color it's painted, but you're right. All of the little girls, they know what color the car is painted, and that's been really cool.
It's so great. So thank you so much. I know you're pretty busy. You just stopped in for today a little bit, and the rain held off, so it's great for the rest of the drivers out there. So thank you once again for taking out the time, telling everybody about everything.
You're welcome. And real quick, what a great day for Dale Coyne Racing. So really cool to see Connor Daly, P2 on the podium today. That was cool.
Yeah, we were actually just talking about it. So Connor and I know each other a little bit out of here. I interviewed him last year. So I was like, hey, Connor, can we do a Periscope interview with them? Went over there today, did that Periscope, and he was like, Tiffany, we need another one tomorrow so I can get first. Do you want to know what he's going to do if he gets first?
It's Connor, so I don't.
He told me he was going to pull a Ricky Bobby and just go streaking.
Oh boy, why does this not surprise me?
I know. So I told Connor, I was like, Connor, I'm going to come back tomorrow. We're going to do this.
Karina, if you're watching this, Karina Redmond, Dale Coyne Racing PR, you have been warned.
She said she was the one that was, you know, a little superstitious, so she was like, you need to come back, and I think we're going to bring him Oreos, too, because we talked about that. So thank you once again, Pippa. It's so wonderful to see a female here. You're such a big role model, everybody, and you're right. Nobody knows. The car does not know it's pink, but those little girls do, so thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.